So I'm at the SipCan stand with Nigel, and Nigel's going to take us through a few new products. Nice to meet you, Nigel.
Good to meet you too, Neil.
So
Good
tell
to
me
meet you.
about SipCan.
Yeah, we're involved in a few different product groups, home, pet and the garden market. But in terms of the garden market, we're doing something different under a brand called Ecofective, which is really about greener gardening, about sustainable gardening.
Right.
Just looking at a world that is changing right in front of us, a different world.
Yeah.
How do gardeners adapt in that different world? We're lining ourselves up to help people garden, not just now, but in the future successfully.
That's great news. That's great news. So tell me about some of your products.
Yeah, thanks, Neil. This is brand new for this year, for 2026. This is Nourish and Bloom. And what this does really is put life back into tired soil and growing media. So it generates nitrogen almost for free, but also would enhance and boost the P and the K that's in your soil and the other nutrients.
Okay.
So if your soil's a little bit tired and needs sort of a bit of life and revitalising, then this is ideal for that.
And I see it's not in the usual packaging. So what's the reason behind this?
Number one, we're trying to use less plastic across the brand generally. We're quite colourful, so the pouches, you get a little bit more product information, can stand outside in the garden centre in retail, resealable, so you can use it sparingly throughout the season. But yeah, it's just part of our bold branding, really.
Excellent. And what else have we got?
Yeah, and I've got this, which is in its third season now. Again, different because if I start with the packaging, it's in a pouch, not a bottle. So this uses 55% less plastic than a plastic bottle, less energy and carbon footprint. And also
less
because
weight, I suppose.
There's less weight. It's got this ergonomic, easy to use handle.
Yeah.
So any age group can find it easy to spray on the plants. No nasty chemicals. There's no pesticides in here. It's used commercially, so we know that it kind of works in terms of controlling bugs and aphids and whiteflies and things in your garden. Safe around wildlife, around pets or children, cats, dogs, etc.
Oh,
so it's good for the planet in terms of the product and the packaging.
Well, it's great to hear that people are doing more for nature. It really is.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Neil.
Cheers.
Cheers.